Hoover Dam and Lake Mead, January 17th, 2014. I can't believe we're in 2014. But it looks a little low to me. I know spring runoff hasn't hit yet, but that looks kind of low to me. And I think the prophecies of a drought are going to come true, because I believe the Word of God, I believe the Bible, and other prophecies. So that looks pretty low to me. Hoover Dam, January 17th, that's the water level here, 2014. I guess we'll get to find out. Anyway, rock on. For the middle of winter, pretty warm. That's all I can say. Ciao.